The merit was not only about the project, but whatever that individual had done during his lifespan to say who would be the clear winner. So it became very difficult, and there was a lot of choices whether we should go for a shared award or we should go for one award. But we all felt the sanctity of the award would be lost if it was shared.
The award goes to Dr. Riaz Uddin.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Riaz Uddin, the NAD went, the ICU went later, indeed working towards import substitution and finding cost-effective health solutions in the country.
इसकी सबसे ज़्यादा खासियत ये है कि ये अपने काउंटर पार्ट वेंट्स जो बाहर से हम इंपोर्ट करते हैं उसके मुकाबले में ये 8 से 10 गुना सस्ता है। एज अ प्रोफेसर मैं क्या ड्रीम रखूं कि ये वेंट मुझे पाकिस्तानी सोसाइटी और हॉस्पिटल्स में नज़र आए। हमने बहुत यंग जनरेशन्स को इंस्पायर किया कि वो डिज़ाइन इंजीनियरिंग की तरफ आएँ। इसके अलावा इस वेंट को बनाते हुए मेरी ज़िंदगी का मकसद ये मुझे मिला कि हम इंपोर्ट सब्सटीट्यूट पर काम करें, ताकि मेरे मुल्क का जो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़र मुबादला इंपोर्ट आइटम्स को ख़रीदने में जाता है वो हम लोकली इंडिजीनियसली डेवलप करके बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे अपने मुल्क के लिए बचा सकते हैं और दुनिया के बेहतरीन ममालिक में अपना नाम शामिल कर सकते हैं।
What a timely juncture it is to be, announcing these awards to bring the focus back. In fact, these are global themes that the world is now talking about, how the young children, the young students must be focused on STEM solutions. And we'd love to see a winner in the coming years who's going to be a girl or a woman presenting some excellent work in the field of engineering. Ladies and gentlemen, if we want inclusive solutions, if we want sustainable solutions for today and tomorrow, engineering is the way to go. I would go as far as saying, on a lighter note, that we must engineer every innovative solution out there except perhaps the results of our national elections. That we must not engineer. It's only fair to also share with you the selection criteria for these entries. As Suhail was mentioning, we've got a tremendous response. All the entries were required to be from a Pakistani national who's graduated from an HEC recognized institutions. Nominations shall be made by the respective institutions. An independent application can also be submitted by an individual or a team of not more than 5 engineers. All applicants must be of an upper age limit of 55 years and a minimum qualification of a bachelor's degree. Ladies and gentlemen, the winning candidate or team will be awarded today 1 million rupees, Pakistani rupees, and a gold medallion as an acknowledgement of their wonderful work. And now we did not realize what a difficult and uphill task we were actually asking our evaluation team and our jury members to do. So to speak about their experience and how they feel this particular award will go a long way in inspiring young talent, we must invite one of the key members of our jury committee. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome the very brilliant Mr. Suhail P. Ahmed.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, what an honor it is to stand here before you, eulogizing the man who has been not only my boss, but a good friend. And this award, one of the kind, the first of its kind, instituted in Pakistan for the engineers, will be a beacon to many. We as jury really had not as big a task as the people who evaluated the 50 applications that had come. And they did a remarkable job, a tremendous job, weaning, gleaning, and testing each hypothesis as they went along. Then came our turn of the jury to evaluate what they had sorted out. We were sent 5 profiles and projects. The merit was not only about the project, but whatever that individual had done during his lifespan, affecting the community of engineers as well as the economy of Pakistan. And of course, the creativity, that was the first element that we checked it against. We spoke to them, we evaluated them on the presentation, then we spoke to each one of them, then we debated amongst ourselves. I think a good 10-11 hours were spent in these assessments, and we had a hard time. We had a very hard time trying to say who would be the clear winner. So it became very difficult, and there was a lot of choices whether we should go for a shared award or we should go for one award. But we all felt the sanctity of the award would be lost if it was shared. So we proposed that should be one award. And I must say, MRH, as is commonly known, he accepted that recommendation. And so that person will be awarded. Whatever else, then Emirates stepped in and decided to do something else on his own. That I guess he will announce himself. I will not say whatever it is to be. But my compliments, well, to the individual who's been recognized as the outstanding for this year, and let that individual not rest on this laurel of receiving this award. Let him try and improve and better himself the next time and win, if possible, by a bigger margin. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, the entries were superb, and we, after much deliberation, as Suhail Saab was mentioning, we are down to our 3 finalists. We'd love to showcase their ideas and their work before you before we announce the worthy winner. So let's take a look.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdullah Hafiz. I run a small startup company called CrickFlex, which is a wearable technology for the performance analysis of bowlers in cricket. So CrickFlex is a wearable sleeve that any bowler can wear on his or her arm and lets you know on your smartphone whether the bowler is bowling legally or illegally. In addition to this, CrickFlex will track the bowler's arm force, the amount of spin that you are generating, the time you are taking to complete your action, your run-up speed, distance and time. We got featured by ESPN Cricinfo, which is the largest cricket news website in the world. We presented our research at MIT. This is a US patented technology, and alhamdulillah today our made in Pakistan product is being used globally in multiple cricket playing nations. That includes India, Australia, England, US, Pakistan and many more. Islamabad United, which is the 2-time champion of PSL, they ended up using our product during PSL, and all the top T20 bowlers from Hassan Ali, Shadab Khan, Fahim Ashraf have used CrickFlex and get this technology to every cricketer in the world, and the ultimate goal is to help all athletes unlock their true sporting potential.
That was our first shortlisted activity.
Dr. Riaz Uddin, I'm the Associate Professor, Director ORIC and PI of the National Center of Robotics and Automation Lab at Engg University. हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था कोविड के दौरान जो कि एक बेसिक आईसीयू वेंटिलेटर था, उसका नाम एनडी वेंटिलेटर है। इसके अंदर 9 मोड्स हैं और 2 ऑप्शनल मोड्स हैं। 9 मोड्स मैंडेटरी मोड्स हैं। इसकी सबसे ज़्यादा खासियत ये है कि ये अपने काउंटर पार्ट वेंट्स जो बाहर से हम इंपोर्ट करते हैं उसके मुकाबले में ये 8 से 10 गुना सस्ता है। 80 लाख का वेंट जो बाहर हमें मिलता है वो यहाँ पे हमने 10 लाख से 12 लाख के दरमियान बनाया है। इसके अलावा एज अ प्रोफेसर मैं क्या ड्रीम रखूँ कि ये वेंट मुझे पाकिस्तानी सोसाइटी और हॉस्पिटल्स में नजर आए। हमने बहुत यंग जनरेशन को इंस्पायर किया कि वो डिज़ाइन इंजीनियरिंग की तरफ आएँ। इसके अलावा इस वेंट को बनाते हुए मेरी ज़िंदगी का मकसद ये मुझे मिला कि हम इंपोर्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट पे काम करें, ताकि मेरे मुल्क का जो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़र मुबादला इंपोर्ट आइटम्स को खरीदने में जाता है वो हम लोकली इंडिजीनियसली डेवलप करके बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे अपने मुल्क के लिए बचा सकते हैं और दुनिया के बेहतरीन ममालिक में अपना नाम शामिल कर सकते हैं।
I'm interested in special machines for a wide range of industry, including automotive. Those test rigs are not available off the shelf, especially for part approval. Any company that wants to make parts in Pakistan need to go through a stringent specification requirement from the OEM. I make those test rigs according to Japanese and European OEMs. Trade deficit is a big issue in our country, no one can deny that. I contribute in this area, providing the tools to the industry so that they can expand, develop more products and localize parts, which means job creation. System that I have developed, one of the OEM is now developing high-powered engines for the local and export market. Vendors have started developing new products, increasing their inventory. Test rigs is playing a key role in all this development. I've been doing this for more than 10 years, and I've seen the difference such machines are making, especially in the auto industry, where more and more vendors are getting the confidence of creating, developing new and quality products here in Pakistan. I would like to expand this development of such systems, and would love to see the exponential growth of localization here in Pakistan. I would also like to provide such services to other key industries in Pakistan, such as sports and surgical instruments, to improve the exports.
Congratulations to our worthy finalists. I'm going to take this opportunity of inviting our worthy chief guest who's been very kind to grace this occasion, and we're very honored to have him amongst us. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to Mr. Razak Daud, and may I also request Mr. Muhammad Ali R. Habib to accompany him on stage. So thank you very much for being here. We'll soon be asking you to announce the winners. The 3 finalists were displayed, their ideas were displayed before you, and the first is the honorable mention that we're giving away. Ladies and gentlemen, Razak Saab, if I may request you to please announce the winner of the honorable mention.
The award goes to Abdullah Ahmed for his cricket.
Congratulations, Abdullah Ahmed. CrickFlex, world's first wearable tech for cricket. May I request you to please join us up on stage and receive your award. you're going away with the certificate of recognition and a check, a prize money of 500,000 with you. Congratulations. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, Razak Saab, may I request you to please announce the winner in the runner-up category.
The runner-up is Dr. Riaz Uddin.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Riaz Uddin, the NAD went, the ICU ventilator, indeed working towards import substitution and finding cost-effective health solutions in the country. Congratulations, Dr. Riaz. You're also receiving a certificate of recognition and rupees 500,000 as prize money. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the first place, the first Ali Suleman Habib Engineering Excellence Award winner. Razak Saab, may I request you to announce the name?
The winner is Dr. Riaz Ahmed.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Riaz Ahmed Mufti for design and development of test rigs and inspection machines for automotive industry. Congratulations. Our first winner, first of many. One of my favorite sayings by the VP US is, I may be the first, but I definitely will not be the last. A brilliant idea that our evaluation and jury team found to be the most sound one. Ladies and gentlemen, he's going away with a gold medallion and rupees 1 million.